I am Filipina. My family is good. Thank you so much. Alhamdulillah. Karthik, are you Bahraini? The Pramod Sugam ano? What is that? Sugamano. What is that? I can't understand. So you both are in the same place? Okay, that's good. I feel sticky already, the cream. No, because I put cream for my rashes. I got rashes. I got allergy with the egg and chicken here. So I put cream for my rashes and then I feel sticky. That's why I put face powder. So are you working here, Karthik? Karthik. Yeah, the one I'm using now is Likas. That's papaya soap. Papaya. Likas papaya. Yes, that's what I'm using now. But sometimes I'm using also Dove. I love to use Dove White. Especially if it's summer. It's nice to use Dove. But ever since I'm using the Likas papaya, even when I was in Philippines, I'm using Likas papaya already. Oh, really? Yeah, that's nice. But you know, it's expensive in Philippines. It's itchy my hair. I think I have white hair on this side. That's good. Actually, that's herbal soup, you know. Herbal. It's herbal soup. 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 Soup.